Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. In them, click on Connected Devices over here and select Pair New Device. Then you need to wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. Now in order to connect, you need to select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to chosen device, choose Forget, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, select Pair New Device and follow all of those steps again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!